Okay, this is the Edge Light webcam, desk cam, easy, convenient lighting from Lume Cube. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, then I'm gonna give you my honest review and let you know if I like this, if I recommend this, so let's get into it right now. Okay, so here we have the Edge Light. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. See what's included here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out this way. And it's nice packaging, okay. So this, there's also some, I really have been quite impressed with Lume Cube lately. You can see it's really, this is a little pamphlet that it comes with, setup information. It seems pretty easy to follow, easy to use. I gotta be honest with you, I have been pretty happy with Lume Cube and their many different products. So I'd be shocked if I didn't think this was a great purchase. Okay, so here is the actual light setup. This is the desk clamp. You can see this thing. Oh wow, that's so cool. So this thing actually folds out pretty easily. Let's take this off. Put that over there. Look how cool that is. Look at this thing rotate. Look at that. You can rotate this. So it is battery driven, but also you can plug it in as it comes with an AC adapter. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in. And I'll show you how it clamps and everything. Look at that, that's cool. See those hinges right there? That's really neat. Another hinge here for the light. Yeah, so you basically just clamp this to your desk, and I'm gonna show you that right now. So on the back of the actual Edge Light, you will see a USB-C charging port, because it does have battery as well as a USB-A charging port. Now I am putting in the adapter, the AC adapter, which plugs in right there. So that's where you see it, and you can actually adjust and see that it's very simple. So you just bring this down, should clamp. And then once it's there, watch this. Now I just clamp it. That's pretty cool. Okay, so you can see this is really, so clockwise, obviously, you want to go clockwise to tighten. It's tightening right there. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So we've got this plugged in. We've got our AC drive. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. So here, so down here is where the drive ports are, and that's where I plugged in my AC adapter, sorry. Here is the power button, so let's turn, ooh, that was really cool. And obviously you have, here, let me kind of get out of the way here so we can see this. So we have different gradations. Look at that. Let me actually turn this around so you can see how it looks, but you can make it, obviously I'm pressing the positive, so you have, you can make it lighter. Okay, so I use this to toggle between green and red, I guess, is that right? And let's see, let's go to color temperature. Oh, that's cool. Really blue, so you just hold it. Now it's going really amber. Okay, I get it. Okay, so this is really, really bright. That's going really cool color. And then this is going very, very amber-ish color. That's about as amber as it goes. Let me show you on my face. So this is on amber mode right here. Put the phone right here. Watch this. This is when it gets cooler. You can see my face and the lighting change. Much cooler. Here's amber again. can go anywhere. So that's awesome. You have ultimate color. Look at that. You've got great color temperature. You can make it go brighter. Look at that. You change in between the modes, make it go brighter. Very easy to use. I love this. And it's very, very illuminating. Check this out. So very flexible. This thing rotates very easily. See that? That rotates very easily. You can change. I mean, you've got so much flexibility on this entire arm. And so I just turned it off by accident. Let's see if I can turn it back on. There we go. So, I mean, I'm telling you right now, I think this is a huge, huge W. I highly recommend it. It's right out of the box, easy to use. It can be battery operated. You can charge it with a USB or a USB-A, but having the AC, the adapter is totally easy. It clamps right away, super easy, super convenient. Take your webcam, take your live stream, take your video podcast, your content creation, your Zoom meetings to the next level. I highly recommend this Lume Edge Light. Awesome. Get a couple of them too.